Okay, so what I've got here is an image that I just got from the internet. Now, this is something that I use to show students how to trace. Of course, we want to be using our own images, our own photographs, our own drawings, and we can do that as well. All right, so we've got our image here, and I'm going to start to use my pen tool primarily. We've got layers. I'm going to make sure that I name it. As I go on, I'm being really practical and I'm able to know which layer I'm working on. That's always really, really important. Okay, again, double click on the blue part of the layer and then click template. It dims it, it locks it, you can still see it. We go okay. You'll notice that I can't draw on it. I have to make a new layer, and that will now allow me to trace it. In my toolbar here, which if I lose, I go into window, I go toolbars, and I go basic. I select on my pen tool here, and I want to make sure that I have no stroke in the fill, but the stroke is black. All right, my suggestion is to look for a very simple shape first, and then to start with really simple shapes. So Command+ to zoom in. And I'm going to name this Simple Feathers. Okay, so with my pen tool, I click down, release, click down, release. If I don't like the size of my pen tool, I can click on my black arrow tool. I can click onto the path here and I can change the size of it. So 0.5 is okay. All right, going back with my pen tool, click on one edge of the anchor point. Now I'm going to start to create some curves. So hold the mouse key down, drag out a little handler, release. Hold the mouse key down, drag out a little handler, release. Drag out again, and we continue this until we have created our shape. Try to avoid the temptation. I see a lot of kids will just click and click and click and click to create their path, but try if you can, hold the mouse key down, drag out, and try and have as few anchor points as possible. Back to the beginning again, okay? All right, see how you go, and I'll come back.